Editor V4 now lets you move, scale, rotate, and skew elements directly with no CSS code needed. And it's not just 2D, you can rotate on the Z-axis, add perspective, and build truly immersive layouts. Let's see it in action. We'll start with some simple transform changes on these small chips. As you can see, the interface is fully stackable, so each transform is its own block. Pair this with states and you can now create prominent and detailed changes for hover or active, making your site feel truly alive. Want to move and rotate at the same time? No problem. One more cool example, we can create depth by making these cards rotate on hover. Next, let's look at transitions. They give you precise control over the duration and easing of your state changes, so your elements respond smoothly and create immersive microanimations that feel professional and smooth. Let's see how. So on hover, I gave this heading multiple backdrop filters, a background overlay, and changed the font color. But I want it to appear with a bit of a delay, so I'll add a transition. As a free user, I can set a single transition for all properties, but with Elementor Pro, I can go further. I can give each property its own transition. Now let's go back to these chips. We already have transform applied, but now with transitions, we can take it a step further and create micro animations. So now I can layer multiple transitions and create a unique movement. Combined with Transform, you now have a powerful toolkit for micro-interactions at an atomic level, with total control over the user experience in every interaction.